Hello everybody, so today I am back with another really quick, really easy hair tutorial. I did a vlog recently, and in that vlog I was wearing my hair in this updo. It was like a curly bun situation, and I got some requests to show exactly how I did it, so that's why I'm here. I'm all for simple styles that don't take a lot of effort, but that still make you look elevated, make you look really cute, really chic, put together. And it's a great lazy day hairstyle, or if you don't know exactly what to do with your hair, if you're pressed for time, this is something that could be a go-to. So right now my hair is like this. I showed in my recent tutorial, it's called the Ultra Sleek braided ponytail. In that tutorial I showed you guys what I like to do to prep my hair for when I'm wearing super sleek ponytail styles, and I like to start with my wash routine. I detangle my hair in the shower while it is saturated with conditioner, and then I brush it up into the position that I'm gonna be making my actual ponytail when I go to style. So that's what I did last night. If you guys haven't seen that tutorial where I show my method for prepping my hair for an updo like this, I will link that video below so you can see step by step. But I did that. I washed my hair yesterday and I let it air dry overnight. So this is what it's looking like right now. And my final ponytail is gonna be up like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down these plaits. My hair is still damp because I washed my hair pretty late yesterday, but that is perfectly okay. So in my video where I wore this style before, I had a middle part. You can do this with a part or without a part. I am going to do it exactly how I did it last time, so I'm going to make my part. Really just want a little bit. It doesn't have to be super straight all the way back because the part is only going to be visible maybe to about there. Once I have my part, I'm going to take some edge control. I always get asked what I use. I use this one, Edge Booster, and I'm going to apply a thin layer of this all the way around the perimeter of my head and along this part. I'm not trying to add too much, because you don't want your hair to be gunky and to have a super large amount of product buildup. So I try to use the least amount as possible because this stuff is very thick and you don't want to overdo it. So now I'm going to take this hard bristle brush and brush my hair back. I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush and just kind of take some hair out along my hairline for later, and then reinforce the rest of the hair. This little brush just makes everything super smooth. So that's why I start with the big one and then go with this one to make everything look mad sleek. So once everything is looking good, I'm going to take my hair and gather it all at the top. Before I put my elastic band on, I'm going to go in with this brush again just to smooth it, because sometimes you can get those like gaps. So I just want to kind of make those go away. Make a high ponytail. And I'm going to go like this and make a bun. So now that we have our base looking mighty nice, I'm going to take a tiny bit more of the edge control and go around my edges. So we're going to brush these in place how I like. I'm going to take a small edge brush. Whenever I do a middle part, I like to swoop the sides right here, and then in the middle I kind of go from one side of the part to the other. Yeah, that's kind of how I usually do my edges, and then my sideburns I'll just brush them like this. Okay, then I'm gonna go in again with this small brush and make sure everything looks exactly how I want it to look. Sometimes in the back I like to brush some of the hairs like that. And then to make this a curly bun, what I use for this, you guys, is just a curly clip-in. I use the longest one I have in the bundle. This is the one with 5 clips. I make sure the clips are open, and then what I do is I take it and I clip it to the base of my hair right near the bun, and then wrap it around, closing the clips as I go. Okay, and I only use 1 clip-in for this. Really doesn't take much. I just take it and I wrap it around, kind of like a messy bun. Just wrap it around, do what feels right. And I make sure to pull out a few pieces because I like some tendrils to come out of my bun. So I pull out some of the hair and I just kind of play with it. Sometimes it can be a little tricky because you want to cover up your bun that you made with your real hair because the texture does not match. Go around and use a couple bobby pins to pin it down so the curly doesn't move. Basically just wrap the ends around the base of the bun. And then finally, I will add a little bit of water because sometimes when I am adding the clip-in hair and doing the wrapping, it kind of disturbs the base. So I will just add some water. I put some water on my hands and I smoothed it on. And then I'm gonna just go back in, make sure everything is flat, no frizzies. Then I tie my hair down with a scarf, and this is to keep everything in check. Make sure it sets and it won't budge all day, because if I don't tie my hair down, it has a tendency to revert. But if I tie it down and let it set, then my hair will stay super flat and in place all day long. I don't have to worry about anything coming undone. So I usually like to keep my scarf on for at least 20 minutes, but usually it's longer than that. I'll keep it on while I'm getting ready or whatever. So I will let my hair set and I'll come back and we will be done. Okay, y'all, finished look. I think it's sophisticated but not overly complicated, and I love that it still has that casual feel with the, you know, kind of messy look going on. Only need some edge control, some curly hair, elastic band, couple bobby pins, and you're good. And also with this, you don't have to necessarily use clip-ins. I do because I have them, but you can also use loose hair. I've used crochet hair to get this similar look, so you can really use whatever curly hair you have on hand. You can even use tracks. It doesn't really matter as long as you just wrap it around, cover the wefts, you're good. So yeah, that's how I do this updo. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have product info down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.